What's up, everybody? It's Josh Shadler, and this is the tutorial video that I am doing, a training video, I should say. Training video on how to create your background for your ClickDelivery landing page, or landing page for anything really. I mean, the same is obviously going to work for for anything that you want to use it for. Any of your other businesses or offers or whatever. This will obviously work for just a landing page in general. So what we're just doing a quick, simple little, as you can see, guys, I already have this one pre-made for the most part. Kind of stick my video in here still, and a couple little tweaks to even stuff out. But here's my background behind the video, as you can see, and then the video and the buttons go on top of the background. But this is the background that I made. This is the background that I'm going to be showing you how to make in this video. Obviously, you don't have to use my background. Use your own background, your own idea, concept, design, whatever. If you just want to use my background, I don't really have a problem with that. I would suggest doing your own. It kind of, it's going to give you a better feeling that you using something that you put your work into and that you created and came out of your mind. But if you don't want to do that, I'll send you I can send you a link. Again, message me on Facebook, and I will send you send you a link, send you a file through the Facebook messaging with this background. You can just pop it right in and be done. But again, I would make my own, but that's entirely up to you. The offer is there. So guys, this is what it's going to look like. I just want to show it to you real quick before we get started. So let's get started. You're going to use Paint, just your basic Paint program inside your PC, inside your computer. And the way that I did mine, now you can use some of your own ideas with this. You can tweak it, take my general thing and tweak it your own way, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to show you exactly how I made that one and the way that I went about making that one. What I did, came to Paint and opened up. I took this box right here. I left it the same width. I just made it longer. I made it 800, and as you can see, down here, these these are going to go up. So I'm going to go up to 800, and I'm going to stop it right at 800. I can't seem to get it, can I? 799 to 801. There we go, 800. So you're going to go to 800, and then you are going to, and now you're going to want to save this. So just go up here and click Save. And as you can see, I've already got all my stuff that I was working with here before. You just create a new folder. Go to Desktop, create a new folder. Like I called mine, ClickDelivery LP, Background Design, LP for Landing Page. So create a new folder. Name the folder for this, and then you can save everything in here as you're working with it. So we're gonna call this. We're just going to call this Design 1. I already have a Design 1. Okay. Let's call it, we'll call it this. We'll call it CD for ClickDelivery Design 1. There we go. So save this. Okay, and then you're going to want to go to New. Right here, File, New. New. And what I did, because I laid this out at 800, an even number, so I could, work with other even numbers. So this is the way I made the one that I showed in the video. What I did is I started out with a 200. The bottom piece was a 200 black. So you go up your numbers down here so you get to 200. Right there. It's a little tedious, guys, but to get it on the exact numbers. If you want to be exact like me, I'm kind of a perfectionist like that. But anyways, you can see it went to 200 right there, and then you want to go to black, click on the little paint bucket, which is your fill tool, click on it, it'll turn in black. Okay, then you want to save this. Now make sure you go to New each time, or what it's going to do is it's going to save over your previous. So if I wouldn't have went to New and just altered that and hit save, it would have saved it over our CD Design 1. And then we go back to get our other pieces to put it all together, and you'd only have ultimately one. So make sure you're hitting New each time. Otherwise, ultimately, what you're going to do is you're going to make all your different pieces, and then you're going to go into your folder and you're going to realize you only have one piece, which would be the last one that you had saved. So, anyways, so make your 200 black one. Go to 200 right here, fill it black, save it. We're going to save as what do I got here? So let's just call these ones CD. So we'll call this one CD1. And you can do this however you want, guys. Whatever concept or whatever you want to do. This is the way I do it, and I'm just doing it real quick for the purposes of this training video. So, however you want to organize that is entirely up to you. Call it whatever you want. So then you want to go to New again. Okay, go to File, go to New, and then you want another 200. Okay, it's going to be red. That's going to be the top one. So it's already, when you go to New, it should already be set at 200 here. If not, then just drag it and resize it to 200. But then go to red, click on the bucket again, fill it, go to save. We'll call this CD2 and save it in your folder there. Okay, now you are going to want to go to New again, go to File, go to New again. You're going to want 2 of them at 125. Now again, this is just me, guys. You can design this however you want or come up with your own layout, numbers, whatever. But this is exactly how I made the one that I showed in the beginning of the video. Okay, so now you want 2 of them at 125. So click this, hold down your mouse button, drag it up until it gets to 125 down there, the pixel numbers. 26, right there. Okay, 125. And then I selected this light gray color right here. Or it says gray, but it looks like a light gray to me. And then again, your bucket for fill it, save it. We're going to call this CD3. And save. And then you want another one of these, so just go right back to save. Okay, see, I screwed up. See, that's what I was talking about not to do. Okay, we want to go, since it was okay, since it was the exact same thing, but go to File, then go to New, fill it again, select your gray color, fill it again, then select Save, and then call this CD4. See, guys, I'm doing exactly what I told you not to do. See how I do it? And then save that. Okay, so now you got your 200 black, you got your 200 red, and you got 2 125 grays. Okay, now you want to go to New again. Make sure you go to New. Now you want 2 of them at 75, one red and one black. So you're going to click this, hold it down, drag it up till you get to 75, down there on your pixel numbers, right there. Select red, select your bucket, fill it, save it, CD5, and then File, New. Select your black, your bucket, fill, save, CD6, and save. Okay, now you got all your pieces. Okay, so now go here, go to Open, go to CD Design 1, okay, the original 800 area that we made. And now you want to go to Paste right here. See a little clipboard underneath of it says Paste. Click Paste. Click Paste From. And you want to open up your, that's it. Right here. Okay. So Paste From, and see it'll bring this up. I already had that other folder open, so it took me there. But just make sure you don't have any other folders open except this one. You'll be good. It'll bring this back up with all your things you saved. Paste From. Select the one you want. We want to start with the 200 black at the bottom. So we want to find that. That was our CD1, remember? So we double click that. It'll bring it up here. Click your mouse, hold it down to drag it down. Drag it all the way down. And just line it up. Like I said, a little tedious lining it up with the mouse and everything, but just get it right on your edges. Right there. Okay. There's that. Now you want to save. Just click Save because you're already in CD Design 1. So you want to save this as you go, so just click Save. Okay, and then you want to go paste from again. It's going to bring this back up. And now we want our little red strip, which is CD5. Double click. Drag it on down. Line it up. Just get it right, right at the, until it just touches the black. Until it just, covers all the white gap there. See? There you go. Click Save. It's going to save it just as it is for CD Design 1. Go back here again, paste from, and you're going to want your the two 125s that we made, the gray ones, which was CD3 and 4. So CD3, bring it down, line it up right on your edges. I guess I guess a little tedious with the mouse, but if you want to be perfect like me, which you definitely don't have to, if there's one little gap of white showing, I don't like it, but that's just me. You don't have to be that perfect. It really doesn't matter, guys. Somebody's not going to come on your landing page and be like, oh no, there's a little tiny line of white there, I'm not signing up, so it doesn't really matter. But and then okay, so go back to save again. paste from again. See, this is really simple, guys. CD4, bring it down, line it up. Okay, well, I messed up there, so, but, okay, go back, bring it back. Right on your, there we go. Save, go back again, paste from again, and now you're going to want your CD2, your red one. You're just going to leave that right where it's at. So just click outside here, save, and the last one, paste and paste from, and you're going to grab your little your little black strip, the 75 one. So double click that, CD6, grab that, drag it down, fill in your last little white gap here. And as you can see, that's just a little bit, not quite big enough. It's going to leave a little bit of a white gap. So you can, if you want, you can go back, just go to open and open, this one here. But it really doesn't look that bad, so we're just going to leave it. So you can just barely see right there, but most people don't care about that unless you're, anal about that stuff like I am. But anywho, it's perfectly fine just like that. If you wanted to edit this, you would just go to open this one back up, and just drag it down just a hair again. But this is fine right here. Just go to save. So here's your design. Here's your overall design right here. Now what you're going to do to get the Clik Delivery thing that you've seen, let's minimize this. Like I have down here where it says Clik Delivery. I'll show you how to get that right now. What you want to do is you want to go to Clik Delivery, come to the bottom of the page where they have it. It's right here, and you want to use your snippet tool or your snipping tool, whichever one you want to call it. Every computer has one. You may have to do a search for it. Go into your My PC and do a search for snipping tool. And this is it right here, basically. Just a little pair of scissors on most PCs. See, it says snipping tool when I hover over it. Just double click that. Actually, I think you just have to click it. And you're going to, what is going on here? Okay, anywho, then you're going to go to New. Just go to New. And what you're going to do is you're just going to come down here. And you're going to just click and hold that. Okay, well, cancel. Go to New again. Actually, click the right mouse button, guys. Click, hold down your mouse button, and just bring it out. And then you can edit this, inside your Paint program as well. So just like that, there you go. You got it. Go to File, go to Save As, and then as you can see, I saved it as CD logo, which is Clik Delivery logo already. And here's the ones that I have edited and used on the landing page. So I'm not going to save it again, guys, but that's exactly how you would do it. Type in a name for it, save it in your in your folder that we've already been working with. So that's how you do that. And so that is that. So let's get out of here. And then see, as you can see, I've resized it and drug it out and put it in there and all that good stuff. So come back over to Paint. Make sure this is saved. Make sure it still says CD Design 1. Click the Save button just to make sure everything is saved up to date. And then you want to go here, File, Open. Open the CD logo, the ClickDelivery logo, and then you can work with it. You can resize it to whatever size you want. And what I did is I got rid of the I got rid of the little red little red section at the bottom, because I just wanted to blend in with the black the black section at the bottom of the landing page. So I just got rid of that part just like that, and then I came to resize. I went to pixels, and basically what I did is I doubled it. I went to I made it 436 instead of 218, and it'll automatically change this too. And then I played with it, guys. I played with it until it was the right size. Just keep resize pixels, keep resizing it, blah blah blah, until you get the right size and this and that. And then of course you go to Save As, and what's that called? CD logo. So let's call that CD logo. Call it 5. Save that. Click OK. And then go to Open. There we go. Go to Open. Bring up your CD Design 1. Paste from again. And then grab your here's our CD logo 5 that we just did. Bring it down, and then you just got to kind of see what you need to do. Bring it down. You can see it's still too goes up too high, so it's still a little too tall. So we need it to be I would just line it up in the corner here, guys, just like this, within your black on the bottom, and it is a different shade of black. So for me, I just made it stretch across the whole bottom because it is a bit of a different shade of black. You may not care about that. If you don't care about that, then you can do whatever you want. I made it go across the whole bottom, so the whole bottom will be the same shade of black. But then you can just bring it down, resize it, get it within your black area down here, bring it across, and that's how I did mine, just like that. Very simple, very easy. It makes it a little blurry when you stretch it out like that, but guys, it's really not. It's fine. It really is. And you may be better at the Paint program than me, but some of these things I'm a perfectionist on, and some of these things just call it good enough, because it really is good enough. Nobody's going to come and be like, oh, that V is blurry, I'm not going to sign up for this guy, so just, and when you get everything on here put together, it's really not going to matter. So it'll be very cool, and very, very worthwhile. So, all right, so that's it, guys. That's that's how you make a custom background for your landing page for ClickDelivery, or or any landing page for any business, really. You just use the snipping tool to whatever business it may be, to go get your go snip out your logo and just do the same thing. And you can do whatever you want, whatever colors you want, whatever design you want, whatever whatever you want to do. But this is the basic overall idea, and this is exactly how I made the one that I made that I showed you in the beginning. So hope you guys liked the video. I hope it helped you somewhat. Josh Shadler, talk to you soon.